It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 8. What is the value of limit as x approaches -2 f of x? Okay, so x approaches -2 from left hand side. If x approaches -2 from left hand side, it approaches 1. From right hand side, it approaches 1, right? So we know that function f of x approaches 1, right? So as x approaches -2, f of x approaches 1. So far so good? Then what about f of x? So we have f of x. Let me change this function with a. I'm going to substitute a for f of x. Then this is equal to f of a, right? Now our input is a. The function is f still. So here we have a function f of x, but instead of x, we have a, right? So I'm going to change this variable a right here. So this is f of a, right? Here, this capital A, which is equal to this, that approaches 1, right? So as a approaches 1 from left hand side, it approaches 3. What about from right hand side? As a approaches 1 from right hand side, it approaches also 3, right? So limit value of this must be equal to 3. So the answer has to be 3.